Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing another Halloween nail art tutorial. So this is a candy corn inspired nail art. Super simple to do, super easy. Like, this is the simplest nail art tutorial you'll ever watch. Like, super simple to get this nail art. So if you guys want to see how to get this nail art, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to begin by taking this kale polish in the color Paper Snow, and I'm going to be using this as a base for all of my nails. So to create my candy corn design, I'm going to be using kale polishes, and I'm going to be using the colors Tropicana, Cha-Cha-Cha, and Paper Snow. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to go ahead and apply Tropicana, then Cha-Cha-Cha, and lastly Paper Snow on the bottom of a cosmetic wedge. And after you've done that, you're going to go ahead and dab this on your nail, and you're going to want to repeat the steps until you get the intensity and the blendability that you want on the nail, so you can create a nice ombre effect and the lines aren't so harsh. And also, when you are applying the nail polishes on your cosmetic sponge, you're going to want to overlap them. That will give you the nice ombre effect. So this is obviously a very messy nail art using the sponge and stuff, so you will get it around your nail. Unless you have a latex nail polish, you won't be able to avoid getting nail polish on your skin. So what I like to do is just take a brush, dip it in acetone, and just clean up around the nail. It works just as fine. Next, I'm going to use my Seche Vive top coat. This is going to smooth out this design, and it's also going to seal it. You are going to want to repeat all of these steps for the remaining of your nails, and that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this super simple and easy tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!